I want to thank DigiShares and Klaus for this invitation. Truly honored to be here. My name is Randy Goldberg, and I'm the founder and CEO of Land Invest.io. We've built the first fully compliant blockchain-based ecosystem focused solely on US vacant land. At the center is our property security token, which provides true fractional equity ownership in Land Invest Corp. Yes, a little bit different. We tokenize the entire company. It's regulated on-chain equity in a real US operating company. We're offering real assets, real revenue, and real ownership. So for more than 2 years, well before launching this STO, we've been actively buying properties through tax defaulted auctions across the US. These auctions let us find undervalued parcels that most buyers never see, and often long before they even hit the open market. Over time, we've built a reliable, repeatable process for spotting good opportunities, evaluating them quickly, and acquiring land that provides for strong disposition net margins, historically well north of 40%. This hands-on experience has already led to hundreds of successful deals, giving us a proven, repeatable blueprint for success. Our nationwide buy strategy will power our pipeline and feed the real land assets behind the property token. We also own buyvacantland.com, which is our new online land directory, real marquee, that will redefine how buyers, investors, and developers source land across the US. While our core acquisition strategy will come from tax defaulted auctions nationwide, buyvacantland.com will be used to showcase inventory, build a broader retail audience, attract new buyers, and create additional resale channels for the company Land Invest as a whole. It also strengthens our brand presence in the US land ecosystem. It'll also help us generate organic deal flow and give us customer-facing platform that supports the overall Land Invest pipeline. By the way, our model isn't just theoretical. Prior to launch, we completed our first land disposition in the state of California. One of the parcels I personally seeded the company with sold for more than 5x return. And we have a second one under contract as of today. We just launched our phase one seed round, literally today, opening the first tranche of property equity tokens to US accredited as well as non-US investors. We're rolling out 3 distinct seed rounds and full dilution up front so as not to freak out any investors. But obviously, those investors that get in early will have the most potential appreciated value in their actual securities. We're also going to be offering quarterly distributions via USDC. This is on 100% of our net margins. There's no holdback after expenses. It's 100% of net margins will be distributed pro rata to all token holders. We built a rigorous regulatory and technical framework with help from DigiShares and their amazing team. I cannot say enough about the company that Klaus has created and the people he has that are part of this company. They truly are the leaders in the space. And I've looked at every single STO platform, and DigiShares, bar none, is the leader in the space. Together, we set up the following: full Reg D, 506C, and Reg S compliance, full KYC and AML checks via SumSub, US accredited investor verification via verifiedinvestor.com, a fully permissioned ERC 1404 security token framework with the eventual evolution to the new 7943, a compliant investor onboarding workflow, a fully automated subscription and investment process via their deal room and platform, fully integrated cap tables and shareholder management, full wallet level compliance and monitoring, and lastly, automated quarterly USDC distribution systems, all within DigiShares platform. Another great thing, we also created a gated investor Discord community. So there's a forward-facing portion to the Discord for prospects, and also a gated wallet collab verified section for reporting, financials, operational updates, and governance. We wanted a community atmosphere that provided 100% transparency into our daily operations and flow. So one of the questions, Jason, that you asked was, how do we see the state of tokenization in the US, since that's what this webinar is about? And I can tell you that the US market is clearly shifting into its next phase, definitely driven by real assets, real returns, and real regulatory clarity. I'm sure most retail investors are tired of the up and down of the big whales taking us all for rides. Investors are no longer looking for hype. They're looking for audited, transparent, cash flow producing opportunities that can scale responsibly. We're seeing institutional allocators move towards RWAs and STOs that have proven business models, verifiable performance, and strong governance behind them. That's truly where we're positioned. And that's why we decided on the STO track. Our focus on acquiring and reselling land at strong net margins, our proven 2-year track record, and our commitment to full US compliance give investors exposure to real value, not just speculation. So truly, in a market full of noise, delivering consistent, measurable results is what truly sets us apart and protects our community for the long run. Our short-term goals are really simple. Scale land acquisitions. By the way, my daddy always taught me about the KISS principle, which is keep it simple, stupid. Scale land acquisitions nationwide, execute hundreds of land transactions, accelerate dispositions to realize net margins for our token holders, close out our phase 1 seed round, expand and engage our investor community worldwide, and truly generate real world results that drive both token value and token holder returns. And most importantly, prepare for secondary markets and liquidity. Our long-term goals. We really want to build the largest tax defaulted land acquisition engine in the US, achieve consistent, repeatable net margin performance at scale, develop a truly national land disposition network, and grow the property token into a flagship RWA token. We want to integrate with multiple regulatory secondary trading platforms such as realestate.exchange and others. We want to expand into development-ready land and value-add strategies. But most importantly, we want to build a vertically integrated RWA ecosystem. We're going to continue developing buyvacantland.com to create a fully integrated pipeline of acquisition, compliance tokenization, resale, and secondary liquidity within one unified ecosystem. So I'll leave you with this. Our commitment truly is simple. Find great land, create real value, and share that value with our token holders. No hype, no mystery, just a model that works. For nearly 2 years, we've proven this strategy in the real world, parcel by parcel, deal by deal. We've built a compliant, secure foundation that puts investors first, and now we have the infrastructure, thanks to DigiShares, to scale faster and smarter than ever before. And truly, your involvement, DigiShares, and the entire industry is what makes this possible. Together, we're not just buying land, we're building the future of land investing, and our motto is one token at a time.